misfire on cylinder number 6. Now this vehicle has 184,000 miles on it. Anytime we have a misfire that has that many miles, it's kind of a good way, it's a good rule of thumb to probably start with a compression check. But let me show you what we're working with. So here's the telltale sign right here. We got new coils in, not even sure what the brand is, which is different from the other 2 cylinders. What we're going to do to start, this is actually cylinder number 6. We're actually going to get this coil out, inspect the coil, and look at the spark plug. All right, I just want to show you something real fast. We got the coil connected to the vehicle on cylinder 6, and we have spark. Okay, in cylinder 6, we have an AC Delco spark plug. That could be an issue. Let's do a compression check while we're here. AC Delco is a GM product, not a Ford product. I've seen that cause issues like this. All right, so here we go. Compression on cylinder 6. We have nothing.